Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by unplugging everything and letting the Chromebook settle so capacitors discharge. Next, visually inspect the cable, connector tip, and power brick for damage. This helps you locate the failure point. Use a multimeter to check for continuity across the cord and output voltage at the brick. This tells you whether the adapter itself is dead or the cable is compromised. Once you know which part fails, you can move to targeted repairs. Once you've identified a bad section, cut out the damaged area and strip about 1/4 of insulation from each conductor. Matching colors prevents polarity mistakes. Twist and solder each conductor, then insulate with individual heat shrink. This restores solid electrical contact and prevents shorts. If the connector head is worn, either replace it or reterminate with a compatible DC jack, making sure the center pin and outer sleeve are correct. After repairs, test with the multimeter before plugging into the Chromebook. After reassembly, measure the adapter voltage under a small load. It should be within a few percent of the rated output, which confirms the repair. Plug in and observe the Chromebook for LED or charging indicator changes, and monitor for heat. That verifies stable delivery. If it still fails, swap in a known good adapter to isolate the internal DC jack or charging circuit problem. If the jack is loose or damaged, you'll need to open the Chromebook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.